Fleeing gunmen on Monday attacked a convoy of a former governor of Imo State, Ikedi Ohakim, and killed 4 of his police orderly in the process. Ohakim's convoy was attacked at Uriagun in the Eyime Mba local government area of the state on Monday evening. Ohakim, who escaped by whisker, had his backup vehicle bombed, leading to the death of the 4 policemen in his convoy. Our correspondent gathered that Ohakim was with 2 of his children and was returning from a visit when the gunmen struck. A source close to the ex-governor disclosed that it took the brevity of the driver of the ex-governor for him to escape. The source said His Excellency was the main target, but his driver was smart enough to beat them because they were driving to block him. Disappointed that their main target had escaped, they blocked his backup vehicle and burnt it. The 4 policemen with him burnt. Our correspondent gathered that a reinforcement came from Owerri, the state capital, and escorted him to his house. Ohakim, who spoke to our correspondent, was sober. Presidential candidate of the ruling All Progressive Congress, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, has vowed that he won't disappoint President Muhammadu Buhari if elected in 2023. The APC flag bearer thanked President Buhari for sacrificing a lot for the progress of Nigeria. He said, "You have been at the helm of the affairs of this country at a critical time. We have seen a life of commitment, dedication, patriotism, and honesty. Mr. President, you have done well for your country. Our nation has seen the difference, the leadership that you demonstrate." He said they belong to the class of leaders who came and served their country with commitment, dedication, patriotism, and honesty. Likening Buhari to leaders like Charles de Gaulle of France, Franklin Roosevelt of America, Winston Churchill of Great Britain, and Buhari of Nigeria. The APC flag bearer, who was in attendance with his ruling mate, Kazim Shettima, said, "The leadership you have demonstrated reminded me of the speech you gave at the primary convention which you won the nomination. You thanked the people with all humility and said, even if you had the money, you would not have paid. But that is because they know who you are, a man of integrity, great commitment, transparency, and an exceptional humility. Tinubu prayed that God will continue to spare you to see the history as you want it for the country. The ship of this nation will be on the right course. You will live long to enjoy a nice evening of democracy that you brought about." When you talk of PVC, card reader, transparency, and honesty in the electoral process like you did, we can only promise not to let you down. Enjoy 80 till you celebrate others' birthday. Speaking at the occasion, President Buhari described the claim that he was dead and Jibril Aminu from Sudan occupying the presidential villa in Aso Rock as a joke that was not funny. According to him, some Nigerians have a way of creating rumors to feast on something that they do not understand, adding that the rumor that he was dead and one Jubilee from Sudan was the work of some mischief makers to demonstrate their cheekiness. Asked by the interviewer if he heard about the crazy rumors a while back that he was not Buhari, he replied, smiling, "Yes, people said I am somebody from Sudan. I didn't bother with the name. Nigerians have mischievous way of explaining themselves. Are these gunmen really unknown?"